I'm gonna have a little sugar rush. I said, I'm gonna this for all probably to next year.
Yeah, cut up good. Boy, what did you messing? Get out, come here. I'm gonna whoop your leg
Next
butt.
year.
Put down. Get out the trash can. Move.
Thanks for the gift.
Sit your little ass down somewhere. Yeah. Come back here, boy.
They're playing DMX right now. They're playing DMX song right now.
Oh, they playing. Oh, yeah. They playing the DMX song too.
Yeah, because the birthday today.
Oh, yeah, the birthday today.
Seeing her birthday on the screen.
Yeah. Oh, check. Oh, check, man. Hey, they playing, y'all. Check. They playing over
Thanks
there.
for the gift.
Check. If you got a glove for the last 30, say me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they playing over there, check. They playing over there. I appreciate that, honey, D. Cut up then. Appreciate it, Miss Lynn. All right, don't use no glove. Don't use no glove. Don't use no glove. Just play raw, Chad. Just play raw.
All
Just
his
play.
friends in
Fuck,
here busting around.
they go. Matthew on the way with the food. Come on, my food then, Matthew. Check everybody on that glove. Check everybody on that glove. 20 seconds, y'all.
He's the X-Man.
They right there, Chad. They right there, Chad. Appreciate everybody who did.
Yeah, everyone.
I see you, my girl. All right, check y'all. MV, motherfucking P. Miss Landlander, you got a boosting glove. Honey D, you got a boosting glove. James Jones, 95710, you got a boosting glove. Shout out to T Bull, Kiki, Big Juicy, Shanice Green, you hear me? Shout out to K Goo Wop, Cutter Corner, all my double tappers. Check y'all, MV, motherfucking P, you hear me? Miss motherfucking Landlander, you hear me? Miss November, what up, my girl? You say you need $27, Megan?
I got it.
Oh, you already got it now? Oh, okay, cut up then.
Yeah, make the bars up and they play all the people here. I know they all know all celebrities in this song. It's
Hey,
posted my
check
DMX
y'all.
song.
First gift
They hit
times
people.
3, check. First gift times 3. Oh, you be sucking your finger too, Megan?
Huh?
You be sucking your finger and shit? There's no member.
No.
Oh, they throwing galaxies and shit over there, shit. They say fuck all
And
that.
I
Huh?
used to suck my thumb.
You used to suck your thumb. For real?
Good shit too. It was good.
Yeah, what it taste like? What it taste like?
Good ass spit. Dang. Well, Mama Mika, she got the habit out of me. The lady Mama Mika got the habit of me took my thumb. She made me stop. Got the habit out of me.
Boy, stop knocking on that. Go sit down.
Don't know how Mama Mika did it, but she did it.
Hey, y'all, what that girl said? That shit take like some good ass spit. What the fuck? Shit, y'all, we need one
Mama
roll
Mika
from 3
did it.
people.
Mama Mika did it,
That shit
y'all.
together right quick.
Got me to stop sucking my thumb. I know one thing. All bunch of my friends is posting about DMX on this
T-Bull,
thing.
drop your glove as soon as this times 2 start,
Yeah,
T-Bull.
they probably crying too different because DMX family. It's birthday today.
Drop
I
your
know
glove, T-Bull.
Lovely friends is going at it, honey. Man, Missy, Buster, all of them posted about DMX today. Pat Poose, Remy, all of them. All his friends.
Yeah, just use the doubles, y'all. Everybody on the doubles check. The glove coming in slow motion. You hear me? Check. Use the doubles. You hear me? Use the doubles check.
Oh, DMX got a big family. The game on. Fitz. DMX. Where Telvin friends, they probably posted about him after the hit was there. Thanks. I haven't seen that before.
Nigga say that's that good ass spit over there, you hear me?
Yeah. See, that was the new one. Thanks for the gift, everyone. Turn your little stuff up. I gotta get off. I gotta get.
You gotta get what?
9 piece. Oh, he got 9 piece of win.
I was ready to get in some trouble.
Oh, so y'all mad about to take my 9 piece, y'all.
A lot of time left.
Huh?
There's a lot of time left.
We still got a lot of time left, huh? So then.
How did I get here?
Yeah, listen there, Max. I like that video. Bye, Chris
Who got a
Brown
glove
video.
right here, chick? Who got a glove right here, chick? Who got a glove right here, chick? Miss Lynn, drop a glove, Miss Lynn.
A glove.
Oh, don't worry about it, Miss Lynn. T-Bull dropped it. T-Bull dropped it. T-Bull dropped it. T-Bull dropped it.
A glove.
Check everybody on that glove. Check y'all 19 seconds. We got a glove. Check. Tell that glove ass up. Make it do what it do. You hear me? Take the 9-piece check. 13 seconds on the clock.
What the glove? Get you on the glove.
To oppress our civil and human rights. But when we rise together, shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart, from coast to coast.
They don't got any.
And
They
together,
got it. All right, check out MV, motherfucking P, Miss November. You hear me? Shout out to Miss Lynn London, Miss T-Bull. You hear me? K Goo Miss Sean. You hear me? Renee 1983.
Thanks for the gift,
You hear me? Big
everyone.
Juice and Peaches. See love. All my double tappers. Check out
about
MV,
time,
motherfucking P, Miss November. You hear me?
Thanks to all my top family, top 10 for sending something in.
under attack.
I don't want to say your name because I don't want y'all to make y'all target for the enemies, honey. I don't make y'all target because they were stalking her ass, though. If I say your name. Some of your names kind of hard to say, too.
And we know the people have the power to overcome. So please,
Yeah, boy.
equity and democracy.
Glove?
A war love to help fight hate.org to become a friend of us.
Don't wear gloves. Everyone use the gloves if you can.
In these challenging times, Southern
Check, they tearing our ass up, chick. They is
Thank
tearing
everyone
our
for the gift
ass up, yeah.
again. Thank everyone for sending some gift. I gotta mail some stuff off too. I gotta see if this person gonna send this 20. I can mail it off. Said she was.
Helps us fight hate and extremism and build.
Looking at this stuff.
Please call or go to.
Oh, I can get addresses too.
When you use your credit card, you'll receive
I got
a
addresses.
Fight Hate T-shirt to show you're fighting for
Address or PO box, whatever they got.
for neighbors and friends.
They
for
before PO
students,
box.
teachers, workers. For
They
all
what?
of us. Because when we stand together, hate doesn't stand a chance.
What are you doing? Get it. Come on.
Helpfighthate.org today.
And I remember. Said, don't drop glove and don't waste it.
Russian roulette. Put up these.
Any surface so you can go anywhere your heart desires. Redesigned.
Using glove and everyone use it. Oh, I need 3 roses. Oh, I need 3 roses.
You choose.
It's alright if I don't get 3 roses. It's alright if I don't get 3 roses. 3 roses. If I get 3 roses. Oh, no, Rose. Oh, thank you for the other rose, too.
It'll be here in 10 minutes, dog. It'll be here in 10 minutes, bro. Let's see.
What is that? I don't know what that do, bro. What's the hammer? I don't know what that do.
Yeah. 13. He goes to Oh, Chad, we got a glove and triples. Chad, use it. Chad, use it. Use it,
Use what
Chad.
that
Here.
mean? Triple. What the hell that mean?
And three.
Oh
Chad,
well, use triples then.
use that triple while the glove out, Chad.
Oh well, use triples if you can.
Appreciate that, Desiree. Chad, hit that fucking glove, yo.
Use triples if you can.
Hit the glove, Chad. The glove gone, Chad. We still got 20
Oh.
seconds on triples, Chad. Everybody drop one gift right now, Chad. The bigger the better, Chad. Do what you can while the triples out. The triples out. Best fucking friend right now, y'all.
Now use the glove too, if you can.
Real people.
Desiree. Appreciate it, my baby, for your daily harmony, Lord.
I got that one you down get 3 times gift. I didn't get no. I didn't get none. I didn't get no 3 times gift. I didn't get nothing.
Y'all whooping our ass, man. They say they don't need to.
I didn't get nothing or the glove either. I didn't sit on the glove either. Oh, too late. I missed it. Oh, dang. Well, at this point, no sending no more gloves. It's wasting the glove. Yeah, you send the glove and then you send the glove and then it wasn't that. Nobody didn't use the glove. They didn't stop sending me gloves then. Thanks for the gift, everyone. Thank you.